Voila, this is my bike check. I'm bored, and I guess I might have changed a few things. So, I'm gonna do a bike check. Yeah, okay, so, my frame, the black eye killorado, Corey Jarman signature frame, 20.5 inch top tube. I love this frame. Let's see, handlebars. The Sunday Triumph handlebars, not Triumph, forumph. Frankie, be quiet. The Sunday forumph. I don't know why I said Triumph, but they're forumph. Handlebars in blue. My dog's just bad. Go get him, Frankie. Yeah, okay. Animal Edwin grips, being held on with zip ties. That one's not as worn in as that one, but they feel amazing. Best grips ever. Kink lightest bar ends, I think they're called, maybe. I don't know, they're just there. They're really good, I guess. They're holding up well. Stock stem. Just because I don't have another stem. Stock forks. The dropouts, mostly on that side, are bent, so it took me forever to get my wheel aligned. But, I mean, I guess I just gotta deal with it. This is a stock front wheel. It was like a stock replacement one. It is super bent. I tried truing it, but it's just too bent to get true again, so I'm just riding with a wobbly front wheel, I guess. Yeah. Demolition Monaco. I think it's 20 times 2.20, maybe? Yeah, 2.20. Really like the feel of it. I have Dan's Street / Trails tubes in both of my front and back wheel. 10.5 ounces each, but they don't pop at all. I don't care about weight, really. My bike weighs 30.4 pounds. So, it's kind of on the heavy side, but I can still ride it. So, whatever. A kink pivotal seat and post. I'm saving up for a new seat post because my seat is freakishly low. I don't know why, but I cut the seat post down so it only goes like that far into the frame. It was a stupid idea, but I wasn't expecting my old frame to crack. That was just my shoe. That's just my shoe again. Okay. Eastern. Oh, I just got a bunch of grease on my finger. That's gross. Eastern Medusa sprocket. It's actually not that bad of a sprocket, but I mean there probably are better ones out there, but for 20 bucks it's actually a pretty good sprocket. KMC purple chain with a, if I can find it, well, hold on, maybe it's about to fall. Where is it? Right there, yeah, got a half link. Well, got a half link. Just one half link. Just to get my chain nice and tight. Just got grease on me again. Odyssey Solinsky pedals. I love these pedals. They're really grippy and stuff. And they're not plastic. I hate plastic pedals. This is a stock crank from my old Haro bike, since the old stock crank from my kink whip is all stripped. This is a stock kink whip crank. Yeah. Because I don't have money for new cranks, I guess, yeah. Tire right here to keep my crank arms from spinning. I had a piece of tire right here attached with zip ties, but my chain's nice and tight, so I don't need that anymore. But right here, it still tends to rub against, so I just put tire and put zip ties on there to keep it on, so that my chain doesn't make a bunch of noise. I have Alienation Rush version 2 freecoaster hub. I took it apart and re-greased it for the first time about a week ago maybe, and I got it in October of last year, so it's almost a year old. And I like just re-greased it, and it still runs just as smooth as the first day I got it, so it's a really good hub. Let's see, that's Ted, the back of Ted. I have the USA made steel spokes. I don't know if that's what Albie said. Oh, and I have these purple tire valve cap thingies. Odyssey hazard light rim in chrome, because they didn't have any other colors when I went and got it. And an Animal ASM tire. But the only thing I don't like about the Animal ASM is that it keeps on popping out of the rim. So it keeps on popping out here, so I have a zip tie to hold it on. And all around here it pops out, so I have zip ties right there to keep it on. And in this spot right here it pops out. Those are the only spots so far that it pops out at. But still, I mean, it shouldn't be popping out. I've tried low pressure, high pressure, medium pressure, no matter what, it still pops out. So I just threw the zip ties on and it stays in there nice and well. Let's go take a look at Ted. Because Ted's a beast. I'm at like 6. Why do I do such long bike trips? This is Ted. He lost his eye patch, but whatever. FBM hub card and random pegs I got a while ago. I have a bunch of stickers. I like stickers. Those are 40 gold star stickers so far that I have right now. Big Albie sticker. Killorado, Dance Comp, Sunday, Dance Comp. I have a bunch up on the forts too. That's Frank, and that's Midnight. And Talia is over there. And that's where I make my videos. Right there. Yeah, okay, so I think I might be done. I didn't forget anything, I don't think. 30.4 pounds. Yes, it's heavy, but whatever. I ride it fine. I never really realized how low that frame looks, but like on here it looks really low. It looks freaking sick. Okay, I'm done wasting your time. That's like 8 minutes. Holy crap. Plug this into the camera and then bam, it goes on there.